Today we are going to have a look at the types of angles. Now, if you have a line segment that needs another line segment, an angle is formed, and this kind of angle is called acute angle. Acute for sharp. Go this way. It's an acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. We have a look at an angle that is more than 90, but less than, angle is more than 90, but less than 180. And this kind of an angle is called an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is more than 90. It's greater than 90 degrees and less than 180. And then you can go back and have a look at an angle that is at 90 degrees. That kind of an angle is called a right angle. That's a right angle. That's a right angle. Now, we look at another angle here. And this one is called a straight angle. A straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. This is 180 degrees. And then this one, don't forget, this one is 90 degrees. We go further and have a look at two more angles. We have a look at two more angles here. The first one is called a reflex. First one, this one here is reflex. And this one here is revolution. This one is revolution. And this is equal to 360 degrees. while this one is called reflux. Which is greater than 180 and less than 360 degrees. Let's continue to have a look at two angles here. We're going to have a look at the right angle and a straight angle and see, look at their properties. They are of interest here. It's a right angle there. I can also draw a line going out there, and I can call that angle A, this one here. I can call that angle B, which is this one here. Now, similarly, I can draw an angle here, cut that, and I can call this X and Y. Can call this angle X from here to there, and I can call this Y. Can call this Y, which moves from here up until there. Now we say angle X plus angle Y is equal to 90 degrees. And the reason is that a right angle is equal to 90 degrees. That's your reason. You put a statement and you put a reason. Now, in English, we say X and Y are complementary angles. Okay, let's have a look at what happens there. And here, we can show that we have more than two angles there. We're going to name that B and name that C. C will move from here to here. And because it's less than 90 degrees, a sharp angle is an acute angle. But on the other hand, you will appreciate that from this line here to that point there, angle B is an obtuse angle. Now, here we have angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. And the reason is that they are on a straight line. The reason is that they are on a straight line or straight angle. We say B and C are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees, while complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees, while complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. Having done that, we can do exercises where I am going to draw here a right angle, and then on that right angle, we are going to have a look at something interesting there in the form of the value of one of the angles there, so that our challenge is to find the other value. If this angle here is 30 degrees, and this angle here is y, and the question says find the value of y here, and you are given that let's name this so that we, if this is A, that being B, C, D. We say angle C, B, D is equal to 30 degrees, and angle A, B, D is equal to Y. Sometimes in some texts, you are going to find an angle written in this form is equal to 30 degrees, and ABD will be written in that form, which is equal to Y. Our challenge here was to find the value of Y, and we will say Y plus 30 degrees is equal to 90 degrees, And the reason is that they form a right angle. Now here we have a simple linear equation where we say y will equal to 90 degrees. We transpose the 30. If you transpose the 30, it becomes minus 30. -90 minus 30 will give you 60 degrees. Therefore, angle y is equal to 60 degrees. We have managed to solve for the value of angle y. Now we are going to have a look at supplementary angles as well. We have that and that, and we name those angles there. This side is A here, B, C, and D. And if this angle here measures 45 degrees, and then we have another angle here. We say angle A, B, D. We say angle A, B, D is equal to 45, and angle D, B, C, angle C, B, D is this angle here. Let's name that angle T. Let's name it T. This angle here is angle T. Angle DBC is T, or CBD is T. So we have to look for the value of that unknown. Angle T plus 45 degrees must give us 180 degrees. And the reason is that straight angle now, T and 45 degrees, the two angles are next to each other. That's why we sometimes say, the reason here we can say, because they are next to each other, you can say angle T plus 45 degrees is equal to 180. And the reason is that they are adjacent angles, adjacent supplementary angles. Adjacent supplementary angles. Adjacent means next to. So going back to the value of t, we'll have t is equal to 180. Transposing 45 will be minus 45. The answer will be 135. Therefore, t is equal to 135 degrees. Hope you have seen that, and that is clear. From here, we will move to the next bit of work. I think we can go back to this kind of work here. Here, we are going to have a look at this angle here called X, 40 degrees here, 89 degrees there, and then we can say this is 131 degrees. We are challenged to look for the unknown variable there, which is X. We don't know what this angle is. But if you take that plus this plus that, you get a complete revolution. So we say angle X plus 40 degrees plus 89 degrees plus 131 is equal to 360 degrees. You must put a reason. The reason is that they form a revolution. Now, angle X, if I add these two here, I'll get 140 plus 80. It is 220 plus 40 degrees here plus X, which is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, X, angle X plus 260 degrees will equal to 360 degrees. Angle X will equal to 360. Now we transpose the 270 to change sign into 260. Remain with 100 degrees here. Therefore, the value of angle X is equal to 90 degrees. The value of angle X will equal to 90 degrees there. Please have a look at that. And that will be enough. So far, we looked at the revolution, we looked at adjacent supplementary angles, which add up to 180. We also looked at complementary angles, which add up to 90 degrees. Thank you, bye.